In this practice session, we're taking a variation of Bhishmasana using a couple of bricks. You can see that I have my bricks on their second elevation. This first brick is horizontal. This will be for the shoulder blades. Second brick is vertical, and that's going to be for head support. Short edge of the mat will be into the wall. And we come down with bent knees. You come down onto your elbows, and then just guide your shoulder blades onto the brick until you feel that the bottom tips of the shoulder blades are just clipping the edge of the brick. And then you can release your head down. Now, if you find that the chin is tilting up towards the ceiling and there's compression in the back of the neck, you can adjust your head support to take it on its highest elevation. Okay, otherwise you can have it on its second elevation. Then you straighten the legs, pressing the feet firmly into the wall and thighs down. For menstruation, pregnancy, any back issues, we recommend taking the feet apart, and then you can take your arms up to the sides, palms up. So we want the shoulder blades to start to move down the back. We also want the skin of the back body to move down towards the wall. Now we can do a few different arm positions here. We'll start by taking the arms up, palms facing one another. And then exhale on the inhalation, take the arms overhead. And you stretch the arms away as you press the heels into the wall. So you're getting a full body extension here. Second arm position, you can cross your forearms, hold on to the elbows, and then allow the forearms to rest on the brick that your head is on. Okay, if you find that this is not too aggressive for the shoulders, you can start to let the forearms release down towards the floor, but keep that injection of your arm bones into the shoulder sockets. And then straighten your arms and change the cross of your forearms. And again, you can let the arm bones inject into the shoulders and feel the extension you can get in the sides of your torso. And then third arm position, you can release the arms and bring the palms up, bringing the backs of the hands to the floor. You can take support underneath the hands if you find that this is too aggressive for the shoulders, and keep the legs working well. And then take the arms back up to the sides. And then to come out, you can either push yourself straight up, or you can just roll to your side and come on out. A great way to get nice shoulder opening, and a great way to also get this lovely openness in your chest. Let us know if you have any questions, and happy practicing. Namaste.